Remove excess grease buildup from the pillow block bearings or Thompson style actuators. Any excess oil buildup on the gate can be removed as well. With the machine powered off, inspect all electrical connections. Ensure all electrical connections are hand tight and in good working order. Here you can see us checking over not only the box end connections, but motor connections as well. Utilizing glass cleaner, wipe down the surface of the chuck and the surface of the trolley plate to remove debris buildup. Similar to section 2.2.3 of our daily maintenance, you will clean the gear rack with a wire brush before using WD-40 Specialist Spray Gel to coat the rack. Clean and re-lubricate the roller bearings that the rollers are housed in. Do not lubricate the rollers themselves. Grease is recommended if the bearings are removed for cleaning, otherwise use WD-40 Spray Gel lubricant. Check that the oil reservoir is filled to the fill line. If not, use a syringe to fill it with pneumatic oil up to that line.